Hey, what's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here at St.Albert Dodge. Back with another video for you guys. Here to just, show you this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in this metallic black color, all right? First and foremost, we got to take a look underneath the meat and potatoes of this operation here. Packed with a 5.7 V8 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, wherever you guys see the yellow, that's where you guys do your thing, fill up, top up, check. The rest you leave up to our amazing technicians in the back here. All right, packed with 20-inch alloy wheels on this. And folks, this one has a 2-inch lift on this one. One of one in the city that I know of course, which is nice. They got the nice rail guards there. Of course, you got the rails at the top as well. So if you folks doing some any camping, you're moving some stuff, you want to put some stuff on the vehicle, you're not scratching the top, which is good. It does have the backup sensors and the backup camera. And of course, one of my all-time favorite features, just to set it and forget it, or to press it and forget it, automatic lift gate with tons of space here as well, which is great. And of course, just in case you guys are going out back, you do got your little donut there as well. But let's take a look on the inside of this beauty. Hey, what's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here. Back with just to show you the inside of this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. First and foremost, as you guys already see, full leather seats on this right here. And since we're in the back here, it got the heated front and back seats as well. So the passengers in the back can be a little bit toasty on the bums in the back. So, all right, let's say we take a look on the left side here. Of course, you got your power windows, power locks, of course. And you got your memory seats right here, 1 and 2, depending on the driver, which is a nice feature to have. Of course, you got your automatic lights. Take a look at the steering wheel. Of course, you got, if you're feeling a little bit sporty, you got your paddle shift to kind of speed her down there. You got your cruise control on the right. You got your cluster dash navigation on the left here. Once your phone is connected, you got your phone little setup here. And of course, on the back of the steering wheel, you got your volume up on the right. And you can change the channels on the left and kind of go between stations as well, which is a nice feature. So therefore, your hands are always on the vehicle, on the steering wheel at all times. You got to stay safe out there, folks. Stay safe, okay? All right. If you take a look on the top, another feature of mine that I just love is just the sunroof. We don't have long summers. Probably 2 months this year, probably. But in the small summers we have, open the sunroof. Enjoy the sun, get some sunlight in here, get your tan on, all right? Of course, you got your nice little touchscreen here, AM, FM, Sirius XM. Once your Bluetooth is connected, or aux, or USB, or SD card, you can play it all from here, which is nice. You'll see it on there as well, which is nice. You got your heated seats, heated back seats, like I mentioned, heated steering wheel as well, so you're nice and toasty. And you can access the backup camera at any point in time, whether you're driving forward or back. You just can't drive sideways, but we'll see what the future has in store. Of course, you got your apps, you got your climate controls here. Dual climate control, which is just amazingness in my opinion. So if you're hot, the passenger's cold or hot, you guys don't have to worry about fighting over which it's going to be. Of course, you can access your heated seats and steering wheel right on there as well. Once your phone is connected, it'll display on here, which is nice. And if we take a look just below here, you can turn the screen on or off, or kind of go back depending on which option page you're on. You control it from here. So let's just say if you're, just not focusing on the screen, you can still do your thing while keeping your eyes straight ahead, which is good. You got to stay safe. Of course, safety is key. All right, you got your eco mode, sport mode, traction control, park sensors on or off, which is nice. You got some storage down here, USB, SD slot, and aux cord, and 12 volt all down here. You got your cup holder, and you got your select terrain option. So if you want to put it in automatic or sand, snow, mud, or rock, this Jeep is built for you guys to take it off-road and tackle those harsh winters in Alberta, or the summers, or just trails, and just really enjoy it off-road, right? Which is great. You got some storage in here. You got some storage in there, and just tucked in between there is your 12 volt DC charger. But folks, come see me. I would love to show you around more of this vehicle, go for a test drive, see how it actually drives. But yes, my name is Ralph Joseph. Phone number to reach me at 780-293-9444. I look forward to it.